Nisambula! Bulavanaka, everyone! Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and today we are at VALE SEKOULA, which means House of the Raintree. And you are going to love this property. One of the best houses on DENARAU Island, right here in Fiji, the crown jewel. And I'm going to walk you through this stunning, custom-built, Stuart Huggett designed architectural masterpiece with lots of native woods and imported materials, custom made for this house, all the way from Bali. And look at this entrance, classic Stuart Huggett design, infinity edge pool, beautiful outlook over here. We are in the Mariners Reach precinct on DENARAU Island, double car enclosed garage, incredible, beautiful imported shake from Canada. This has an extended warranty on it, no roof leaks, unbelievable. These guys did everything amazing. So I'm going to walk you through this house. Natural wood everywhere. All these custom art pieces have been imported and designed and brought in specifically from Indonesia to this home. Custom water feature lily pads. Here are some of your roommates waiting for you. Say hi, guys. All right, look, everybody's excited. All right, so let's go to bedroom number 1. Built-in wardrobe. Gorgeous. Look at the beautiful woodwork here. Air cons, ceiling fan, wood louvers, custom sink all the way from Bali. There's that granite top, beautiful tile work, nice open shower enclosure. Look at this. That's your view from the bed here. How gorgeous is that? Listen to the water feature. So if you're looking for a home Zen style, even set up a little sitting area here, little pagodas, true Balinese style right here in Fiji. There's bedroom number 1 with the ensuite. We're gonna go to bedroom 2 with the ensuite. Double sinks in this one. Same shower enclosure with the recessed LED lighting. Gorgeous 4-post bed here. All imported. Look at this. This was all custom done. Get your flat screen TV in there. Lots of personal items. Here's that resort style swimming pool. Goes from about, I'd say, roughly a meter, 3 feet, all the way down to almost 9 feet at the end there. Lots of people from an entertaining standpoint. Look at this indoor, outdoor. We're going to head over there soon, but you can see the outlook here. Just spectacular. This is, we're going to swing around to the master suite there so you can see that. All these nice, incredible touches that this house has make it so unique, so special. This is just about to hit the market. Walk with me. Look at this piece. This is solid. This is real, hand carved. Imagine the carving and the time that went into that. At least 4 Fijians had to put this up there and bolt it into the wall. It's that heavy and that unique. Here's another entranceway out to the yard facing the waterway. Here you have your nice built-in wardrobe with the safe, built-ins, glass louvers, automatic sink. Look at that. Woo-hoo. All the nice touches. Double Balinese sinks, indoor, outdoor shower. How cool is this? You have to come and see this to believe it. It is just breathtaking. I'm telling you, this is one of the best houses that we've seen here in DENARAU when it comes to quality of construction and the unique Stuart Huggett famous architectural design work that's done here. TV can pop out right out there. Look at the headboard there. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful sitting area here off to the side. Air cons and ceiling fans. And you have nice deck here with that marine grade finish on it. And your outlook, private gardening in here. You can do your own private boat jetty and pontoon just like these guys have done here. Infinity edge pool, all these custom mahogany loungers. Okay, show you back at master suite. That is bedroom 3. Man, this place is just phenomenal. There's the entranceway into the 24/7 gated precinct right here on DENARAU Island, about 15 minutes from the international airport. And also here on DENARAU, you have all the fishing charters, inter-island boat transfers, sunset cruises, and the boats that will take you out to the Mamanutha and Yasawa Islands, all that surfing. And you can see just out there where those catamarans and boats are, that's Port DENARAU Marina right there. Another one of precincts just across from us is the Cove Precinct, but nice, beautiful turnaround. And you can put your private boat jetty right here. And you can see some of those amazing boats that the neighbors have right there. And you can put right there. Also, this house has CCTV cameras, wireless, so you can see your property if you're not here in Fiji. Here's that infinity edge pool with the koi ponds going all the way around the property. Here's the entertaining room, and you can see everything opens up. Custom furniture throughout. Look at this massive piece. Also custom made for this property. Huge Raintree slab. Gorgeous granite bar top and bar stools with the down pendant lighting. And then here you have your stainless steel appliances, sink, stovetop, and then you have what's great if you're entertaining friends and you want to have people do that catering and cooking and stuff for you here. Here's your butler pantry, same granite, all the nice beautiful finishes, stainless. We're going to go back in here. This is the double car enclosed garage right here. Here you have the cyclone shutters custom done. The car, if you want that SUV, that can also be sold with the property. They spent a fortune just on those shutters. So everything done, very custom, very well done. Nice tile work here. This is your 4th bedroom. Can also be cordoned off. So if you have staff or guests, this can be self-contained. So you can lock this separately from the house. Nice shower enclosure, toilet area. I would make this a cool lounge or office for myself. There's that flat screen TV. There's Asbar from the team. This is the outlook into the precinct. That again is gated 24/7. You need access not only in the precinct, but also here to get onto DENARAU Island. So great security. If you have kids and you're coming to Fiji full or part-time, there's Agape and Nandi International School. So potential options there, and a lot of them, the schools will pick up and drop off the kids right here in DENARAU. Everything's convenient. You even have 24/7 Zen's Medical here, and so many restaurants, shopping, retail, coffee shops, and wine bars. All the fun things that you would expect from this style of living. This is it. Just a spectacular, amazing property. One of our favorites. VALE SEKOULA, House of the Raintree, DENARAU Island. Find out more. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 to get all the details. And we look forward to seeing you here soon. And this might be your new home in Fiji. Are you getting excited? I know you're going to press pause soon and you're going to tell your family and friends to come check this out. Look on my phone, look on my computer, because this is the house we're going to buy in Fiji. It is epic. All right. Lots to think about. We will see you here soon. And your boat's going to be parked right there. And I'll meet you out here with my kayak because I live right over there and we'll kayak right out here. All right. Have an amazing day. We'll see you here in Fiji. Kanaka.